Set us down or one of those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's it going?
Right back here. Back in here.
It looks like it's surviving at the wind chest thing. Alright.
It's a perfect spot.
Yeah, it is a pretty good spot.
Voila. There you go.
Cool. Nice.
Hang up a nice curtain.
Thanks.
It'll be fun.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nah, we gotta put like a bookcase or something that opens up, you know?
So it can survive for 30 minutes at 1400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Which is good for your other items you want to protect in there too.
Yep. So all you guys know where my safe is. If you want to try to get in there, it's a decoy. Good luck.
And we should anchor it too. Not today, but maybe anchor to the
Wait.
floor or anchor to the wall.
This is from Tractor Supply?
Whoa, 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 don't ruin that. Tractor Supply is a good store.
Wait, Tractor Supply sells
Anchor just so what, you think
non-tractor
somebody's gonna
related
like try and grab this?
Right.
Oh,
You just never know. You want to anchor.
The joke will be on them. They'll like throw out their back when they're trying
Right.
to take it.
But hopefully nobody has to
I'm
mess
just gonna
with
put a little message in there and be like, ha, it's in another safe, dumbass.
it. Yeah, just put it there that says dumbass.
Alright,
So-
so we'll meet you downstairs.
Okay.
Downstairs?
Yep.
Yeah.
So what do you want to do? Do you want to go from the side?
There's a dolly
out?
down there,
Oh, okay.
but
Don't have straps.
Okay.
do you have straps?
Straps to
His
the
has
dolly, yeah.
straps.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, we'll just meet you around.
Alright.
Actually, you can stay inside.
I'm saying that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on, Psycho Dad channel. Are
Alright.
all you guys like subscribed to my channel? I don't know what the divide is. Is it mostly boomers on the Psycho Dad channel? But we'll show you guys what we've been doing in the basement that we haven't seen. Spent all Christmas Eve sanding, so it might be a bit dusty.
Oh, it is.
Look at all the snow on the over here on the side. Look at all that fresh snow.
Oh, you should write something in there.
No, I ain't touching that. Yeah, we're ready to paint. So I'll probably be doing a Storyfire video this week. Probably the last Storyfire video of the year. Basically just showing us painting, getting a lot done. We're gonna try and speed through the final parts of this process. But we've had these old ass fridges for like, ever since I moved in here.
This is the heavy.
They left everything. They left all the crap. So like, finally it'd be nice to get rid of this. I think it's the last remnants of the previous owners, for the most part, is these two.
Because remember, in the one when we were first here that day, he had deer parts in one of these.
Yeah.
And then he had the blood in the other. Then he had the scent in the other.
Yeah.
Because he used to sell the scent for his business.
Yeah, there's like
Buck
pee.
or
There's like a bunch
whatever it
of pee and stuff. So it's like, yeah.
Dope piss.
So it was smelled. It smelled a lot. It smelled pretty bad.
You guys are coming along here. It looks nice.
Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Get there.
That's where they left the pickup from the curb. They said. Gotcha. The only problem is if we get out there, it shouldn't sink.
Yeah.
I mean, I wonder if we should just put it up there in the driveway here.
Yeah.
Because we can have.
Pull in. You know, it's
pull
easier
in.
for him to pull in than for us to probably drag it.
Might
wherever.
be
There's no
easier for us to do
shoulder
that.
up there, so
Right.
I wouldn't.
Just get it on like the side of the driveway.
Right out here
Right on the
somewhere.
concrete
Wherever
where my
it's
truck's
like
parked.
close. Yeah, it
That's
doesn't
probably
matter.
best.
Yeah.
I would
You
say.
can pull in and get it anywhere. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this one looks. There's some nails up there. This one, like you said, is the heavier one.
Yeah, this is the heaviest.
And these, I'm not the biggest truster of these wooden stairs here. Right? Don't they seem a little weak when you walk up them?
Yeah. They kind of lift up a little bit.
I think it's like this, one of these.
It's especially this first one.
Yeah.
Yours is a little more industrial than mine.
Yeah, I think it's like one of these.
I had a U-Haul.
Got a freebie?
Yeah, from years ago when I got out of the Navy. I moved from South Carolina back up to Jersey. What was it,
There you go. I think we're good.
94, 95? Years ago.
Why do humans make such heavy things?
Yeah.
Why did they do these out? Some scrap guy get buying them, or just taking them.
They don't work.
Oh, yeah, it's complete junk, so it's
Yeah.
like, Okay, like how?
We're up to go this way.
Right?
Oh
We're gonna have to
no.
lift.
How
I don't like
how the
this.
flying
Time.
F? Oh, what's up, guys? Just showed up. I should have did a snap thing, but.
Oh, I forgot the camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3, step. All right, okay. 1, 2, 3, step. All right.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, step.
Come up.
All right. 1, 2, 3, step. Good. 1, 2, 3, step. Okay. 1, 2, 3, step. 1, 2, 3, step. That's all right. That's all right. You good? Yeah. Yep. 1, 2, 3, step. All right. Just got to push it out for you, Jeff. We're pushing it. All right. You want to lay it?
Maybe we just lay it.
Maybe lay it down your end.
Yeah,
Nice and easy.
Yeah. Let it go.
All right. Yep. There we go. Woo. Yeah. It wasn't too bad.
So a lot of
That
butt.
wasn't bad.
Lower back.
All right. Maybe get it
unstrapping then
two
just
up
pull
there, two
forward.
down here.
What do you want to flip it this way?
Just start rolling.
Roll it right over?
What if we just start like rolling it?
Sounds good. That was the easy way to do it.
Yeah.
Cool thing is, it is just scraps. So we can just start like rolling it like a damn dice.
Yeah. That's why I wasn't worried about getting it out. I'm like, we'll get it out. I don't know what condition it'll be in, but we'll get it out. All good.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. What if we just went like sideways and then just kept
Flipping
rolling
it?
Yeah.
You can do that too. Because I think these little wheels are going to sink right in.
So we can go that way. Or
Could hook
like
a
put
chain
on
to the back
side.
of the truck and just drag it.
That's contact. That's
That's
good contact.
smart.
Strap, I'll drag it.
I don't care.
Go
What
for
about
it.
the yard?
I don't care.
I mean, it's gonna be winter
It's
anyway.
winter anyway.
Hook the beast to it.
Yeah, that's a thumbnail.
Drag it around. I do have a strap actually.
I think that's what needs to happen with the old safe too, that we can never get open during the Psycho series. Just literally strap it to a truck and drag it. Wait, I think that's what we were saying. Psycho Kid was gonna do that towards the end. Foreshadowing. I foreshadowed this, guys. I swear I wrote it all. Mason, go see
Oh.
Look at his bandana.
How do I zoom in?
He's cute. I showed you.
Oh.
Just that knob.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's Scamp's old spot.
It is. Look at him.
Those windows are
That's
clean.
cute.
My
How do I
soul.
use this? Okay, there we go.
I'll stretch my back.
Yeah, you feel it doing stuff like that. Too young to have back problems.
Nah.
Never too young.
I'm about to be 30.
Hey, did you wish Joshy a happy birthday?
Who? Oh,
Joshy.
Josh Sang. Guys, shout out to Josh Sang. Happy birthday.
Yep.
You guys want some shout outs? Leave some comments. We do birthdays now.
Right. on mine. Yeah, happy birthday, Joshy.
Nice.
There goes the beast. Can it even fit back there?
I don't know.
Can you imagine they scraped his truck? I would love this. I feel like he would get like genuinely Psycho Dad. That's how I've seen actual genuine Psycho Dad in the past. Somebody like damaged his truck, but didn't even damage it. I forget. I think you guys might have heard that story before, but. His eyes lit up though. When I heard dragging
Yes.
it was like, so that's where you see some of that Psycho Dad mentality. He's like, oh, I get to drag and potentially smash shit. Let's go. In every young man's heart, they want to destroy shit. I don't know why. An upside down hand truck. Nice. Wayne just picked up the brand new Storyfire straps from the Etsy store. You guys can get these exclusive. Some blaze straps.
And then maybe hook one together. That. Who knows? We'll try anything once.
Get in there, Ashley. Show them the scientific process.
They already stick with in your hair.
Ratchet that.
Yeah.
Yep. We'll hook this one to this one. And then in the back of the truck. Now you know what? You better use two.
Yeah, don't
How
want
are
to
we
get
going
too
to hook
close to
these
it.
together? Just tie it,
And then
maybe?
it snags and flips, and then it lands up in the...
Baby Ratchet.
Maybe I'll just tie it.
Baby Ratchet. That's
Swear
gonna be
not.
my new handle on Twitter. Baby Ratchet.
Let's see how it works. You know what? That ain't going to work.
We need to do this to Mason.
It's going to pull that pin out.
No.
Come on, bud.
That's going to pull that pin out.
Yeah, probably.
It's too much weight, yeah.
I had to
Tie
get.
it up.
Jenny was outside. Had to bring her in because you see the buzzards. Can you see that buzzard out there?
Yeah, I saw that tree.
Oh yeah. They were like starting to circle a bit. Yeah, and she saw him, started like,
This
ooh.
here will probably have to tie too. It will come loose.
Two.
Get this up a little higher. Hooks. That's what we
Look
got.
at that. They're made for this. This is definitely gonna be
We'll see.
100% success.
We'll see what happens. We've got to drag her around. Maybe.
It almost looks like it's gonna slip out of it.
No, don't be negative.
Like it looks like it might
We're
just.
gonna try it.
Oh wait, we're
Let's
still-
stand right here.
Yeah. Let me get out of the way.
Here, let me take this. I
Yeah,
wanna.
you do it.
I'm trying to get. See if I can get a thumbnail. There it is. Look at the bees pulling this fridge. Wow. Probably. Guys, drop some likes on the video if you think it's going to be a massive
That might
success.
I think that'll work.
I'd say drop some dislikes if you think it's
you're
going to
good.
fail.
Try
But
it.
oh, here we go.